Right now, deep within the research and development facilities of Asus, a handheld device is being tested that is sending shockwaves through the entire gaming industry. This is not just another minor hardware refresh. This is not a slight tweak to battery life or a marginally brighter screen. We are talking about the Asus ROG Ally 2. Asus is preparing to unleash a handheld console so phenomenally powerful that it might actually make high-end gaming laptops and traditional home consoles completely redundant. If you are a PC gamer, a console player, or someone looking to buy a handheld device anytime soon, you need to stop what you are doing and listen very closely to what is about to hit the market, because an unprecedented shift in portable processing is happening right now behind closed doors, and it involves custom silicon architecture that Asus has been engineering alongside AMD. Most people are looking at the wrong specs and focusing on the wrong leaks. In this video, we are peeling back the corporate secrecy to reveal exactly what the ROG Ally 2 looks like under the hood, the revolutionary cooling system that makes its insane speeds possible, and a hidden feature that completely solves the biggest flaw of the original generation. If you skip even a single minute of this script, you will completely miss the bigger picture of where the future of PC gaming is heading. To truly understand why the ROG Ally 2 is causing absolute panic at companies like Valve, Lenovo, and even Nintendo, we have to look at the silicon heart driving this machine. The original handheld war was fought over basic frames per second at low resolutions, often forcing gamers to compromise on visual fidelity just to get a stable experience on the go. Asus is ending that compromise entirely. The ROG Ally 2 will introduce a highly customized AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme processor built on a cutting-edge architecture. To put this in perspective, this chip manages to shrink desktop-class graphical computing units into a silicon thermal envelope designed for your hands. You might wonder why a casual or mid-tier gamer should care about this specific node architecture. It matters because it shatters the performance per watt ceiling that has limited handhelds for years. This custom APU is designed to deliver a massive 40% jump in graphical performance while drawing significantly less power from the battery when operating at peak loads. Imagine playing the most visually demanding, unoptimized open-world AAA titles at native high settings with fully enabled ray tracing, locked smoothly at 60 frames per second, without your device transforming into a loud, overheating hairdryer in your hands. This is not just a spec bump. It is a fundamental shift in the physics of portable play. But raw graphical power is completely useless if a handheld cannot sustain it for more than an hour. The biggest complaint across the entire first generation of PC handhelds was the atrocious battery life. If you cranked the original device to its maximum turbo mode, you were lucky to get 45 minutes of gameplay before running to an electrical outlet. Asus engineers knew that if they did not solve this problem, the ROG Ally 2 would fail. So instead of just slapping a slightly thicker, heavier battery pack inside and making the device uncomfortable to hold, they completely re-engineered the energy distribution system. The ROG Ally 2 utilizes a next-generation silicon carbon battery pack. This technology allows for a vastly higher energy density within the exact same physical footprint as a standard lithium-ion battery. When you pair this